Let's take it from where we left last time on trading. Of course, you need to know how to trade. Trading is a skill that is marketable and that can save you a lot of agonies. So you better train or teach yourself how to trade. Today, I'm answering my last question that my student asked me on trading. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. Let me share my screen. A moment. Guide to plan trades. Before you trade, what is the trade? Bullish trade, bearish trade. Is placed at support. Is placed at resistance. In between, there's sideways, bullish, bearish. Wait for a blackout. Wait for a blackout. Yes, buy. No, don't trade. If the price is at your support, buy. If price is not at your support, don't trade. Is price at your resistance? If price is at your resistance, say yes, sell, yes, sell. If the price is not is against you, no, don't trade, don't sell. So a flow chart is very important. A flow chart will help you to formulate a trading plan quickly because you will need a plan to be able to be an effective day trader. Because if you don't have a plan, it's planning to fail. So you need to know market entry at what price, at what support, at what trade are you entering the market, and market exit. At what time are you exiting the market? At what price are you exiting the market? And then in between the market entry and the market exit is a process called waiting. You can wait for 5 minutes, you can wait for 15 minutes, you can wait for 1 hour. It all depends with you. It all depends with you. It all depends with you. So another thing, like a moment, so a moment. Okay. So the bull market, of course, you can see bull market is when the prices are going up. Bear market is 20% price drop, or when the market is dropping. Bull market entered can be 20% price gain if you be able to understand the trend. So thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for tuning in. Feel free to ask me any question that you have. Come on my WhatsApp, come on my Telegram, come on my Facebook. I'll be glad to answer you all the questions that you may be having. Thank you so much for listening to me.